Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by In the Money Stocks. Today is September 1st, 2015, and the markets are getting pummeled. You have the S&P 500 E-mini futures trading lower by 50 points, trading right around the 1919 level per contract. You can see here markets really started to just roll over yesterday, and that continuation has just persisted throughout the entire morning. So again, we're looking at pretty ugly markets to start the day. We'll see how this plays out. Don't rule anything out. That's the one thing I'd like to say. Month of September is expected to be volatile, and it is historically a month of turbulence. So just be prepared. Right now we're coming in to the month down 50 points, 51 3/4 actually on the S&P 500. We also have the NASDAQ futures, the NQ, trading down 115 points. So these are some major declines. Markets are not at their low levels they were at last week, but we are seeing some serious selling taking place at the moment. What's the catalyst? It's China again. China's being cited at least for it. They came out with some weak economic data. I believe that PMI came out and it was the lowest level we've had in several years. So in any case, you could read all about that. But let's take a look at some stocks that are moving in the news. First one we're going to take a look at is Dollar Tree today. They had earnings. Stock right now is trading at 71.78. I will have gap levels for this. They'll be posted up in the intraday stock chat room right at 9 a.m. So if you want to come over and trade alongside of us, come take a 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat. We've had a stellar 2015, and we have good volatility out here today, so we're going to look to keep that going. Everything Chinese related is getting hit. So you could look at stocks like Qihoo. It is selling off. You could look at stocks like BHP Billiton. It is selling off. You could look at stocks like Rio Tinto. Anything in that metals and mining space is getting hammered. Take a look at US Steel, down again. Take a look at FCX, which is Freeport Mac. This has had a big move after the Carl Icahn news that he took a stake in the company. Today the stock is back down to $10. We have a lot of the casino names. MGM, I believe, is also down sharply. Look at the sell-off in MGM this morning. So you're getting a lot of anything China-related. Las Vegas Sands is another one. MPEL, MPEL. Wynn Resorts, they're all getting hit today on the back of China news. So just keep that on the radar. Also, when you look at other large Chinese ADRs like Baidu, that one is also under pressure. Alibaba, another one. Not really. Alibaba's actually hanging in there better than the other ones, but they're all down this morning, and this is all off of the Chinese news. So be prepared, be ready. The markets right now are under extreme pressure, and we'll see how it plays out. We'll see if the market could find some solid ground and maybe build a base and work off of it. But this morning we are looking at a lot of pressure coming out from China. Also, we're getting oil under pressure today. Crude oil is down $2. It's had a nice little short squeeze up to the upside, but the truth of the matter is there's really not that much momentum or strength left to it. Crude oil is trading down $2 to 47.12. If you take a look at a lot of the different energy stocks out here, you'll also see some pretty good weakness. To name a few, you could take a look at PBR. That is getting hammered today. That stock closed at 586, now trading at 552. Transocean, which is ticker symbol RIG, that is trading at 1372, closed at 1423. Could also take a look at other stocks like ExxonMobil. The stock closed at 75.24. This is the biggest and the best integrated energy stock in the world, and it is trading down. CVX, Chevron, that closed at $81. It's now trading at $78.50. ConocoPhillips, another one, that is trading at $47.52. So everything in the energy space is getting hammered. And remember, a weaker China also affects a lot of the energy stocks as well as oil itself. So always keep that on the radar. We'll see how this market plays out today. Looking at the gold market today, gold futures are trading up by about $7.60. So gold is getting a little bit of a pop. You can see the dollar is down a little bit, but not all that much. Right now, when we look at gold, generally if the dollar goes up, gold usually will retreat. And, that relationship still stands. So we'll see how that plays out a little bit later today. But really, it's all about the futures. S&P 500 E-mini futures today trading down by nearly 50 points. So we'll see if they can start to recover or find some footing. We'll see if the bulls got a little bit of a burst left in it, since it is the final trading week before the Labor Day holiday. But right now, September 1st is starting out with fireworks, and markets are down substantially at this point in time. All right, I'm going to leave it here short and sweet. Come on over, take a 7-day free trial, trade right alongside of us. We have volatility like this. We usually get a lot of action, and that could be good for trading. So again, we've had a great 2015. Like I said earlier, we're going to look to keep that going. So come over, take that 7-day free trial to the Intraday Stock Chat, and you can trade right alongside of us. With that being said, everybody, have a great trading day, and we will see you on the charts.